Видео салмай тұрып саған, саған Phoenix каналын ұсынамын. Канал Brawl Stars'тан видеолар салатын болады. Көріп тұрғандарындай превью, шапка, ава, бәр, топовый. Андай топовый каналға қалай тіркелмейсің, соны түсінбеймін. Каналда дәл қазір 14 подписчик бар, соны бір кем дегенде 25-30-40-қа дейін көтеріп тастаңдар. Соңғы видеосына кіріп, Ромадан келдім деп комментария жазып кет, және лайк басып кет. Біз кеттік. Барлықтарыңыз сәлем достар, сіздермен Рома. Бүгінгі видеода деп тұр. Негізі бұл видео кеше салыну керек болады. Бірақ кеше қол тимеді, анау-мынау футбол тренинг дегенде, общем кеше 0 болдым ғой, вообще қол тимеді. Бүгін салып отырмын. Көріп тұрғандай, менде Шеллиді 700-ге көтерген болатын. Сезон бітті, анау-мынау 625-ге дейін түсіріп тастады. Қайттан бір 675-ге дейін көтердім. Келесі жылдар арнайы видео шығатын болады осы Шеллиге 25-ші ранг. Бірақ тек бүгін емес. Мен дейтін Фрэнкті 3-ші левел Фрэнкті 20-ші рангқа көтердім. Маған терпение керек, шыдау керек вообще. Көтердім. Маған негізі ыңғайсыз бұлай ойнап атырып затқа видео түсіріп атқан. Сондықтан повтор көрсететін боламын. Кеттік.
When I popped off, then your girl gave me just a little bit of hot chop. Baby so cold, he from the north, he from the Canada. Bankroll so low, I got nothing else that I can withdraw. Ran up low, I shot my wrist, it got low. Sha. I shot my wrist, it go like sha. I got your bitch singing la 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 la. I shot my wrist, it go like sha. I got your bitch singing la la la. I was try like that. Amex, no cap, _. They wonder how I go up like that. I rap my lyrics when I perform. They wonder how I try like that. Married to the grind, I brought my ring. I'm corny, but your goodie want the dick. Modest with my jewels, but check the bag. Finally got the money, say my thing. When I popped off, then your girl gave me just a little bit of hot chop. Baby so cold, he from the north, he from the Canada. Bankroll so low, I got nothing else that I can withdraw. Ran up low, I shot my wrist, it got low. Sha. I got your bitch singing la 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 la. I shot my wrist, it go like sha. I got your bitch singing la 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 la. I was try like
my hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gon' launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, no stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gon' get it, yeah.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never off it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Profit, spitting hot shit. Off topic, chronic. I think I motherfucking lost it. Taking back, matter of fact, making racks where it's at. Had my back to the mat, not an act, that's a fact. We attack in a back, no react, no react. Think I'm black, off his jack. While I rap, bounce a step, throw a jab, give a crap. We're advanced, I'm the man. Gotta play it better than most brands. Goddamn, I'm a rhyme till I die. Never lie, that's a lie. I don't try, I defy. Yes and nah, that I'm right, yeah. The studio, like a student though, working on a movement, yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone. And you know that I'm ready for the shows. How it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose. Front row, here I go. All these people wanna know what you think of them lately. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you grade me? All this social media has got me going crazy lately. Everything's inflated, mainly everyone's invaded. Privacy is naked, man, I really hate it. God, I really hate it. I just wanna make it through all this fake shit. Living in the real life, living for some real times. Talk about the real climb, passionate in real rhymes. Steal time back from my 9 to 5, taking back my fucking life. I just wanna feel alive.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.